AI is taking over you and you don't even know it. Hi everyone, मेरा नाम पारस है and before I start my talk, I want to share a crucial part of my journey. कॉलेज में मैंने बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स करे अपने रूममेट संयम के साथ. अब हम ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते, बट ये हमारी रीसेंट चैट थी. I want you to read this chat. I'll step aside. Now, please don't judge me, but this is how boys talk. Let's be real. Now, what if I tell you that the entire chat you read was not real? Yes, I mean that. I mimicked an AI to clone my friend's voice and his chatting behavior. As you can see, it was an AI. I trained an AI algorithm, right? Let me show you how I did it. WhatsApp हम सबके phone में है? Yes. What I did was, I went to WhatsApp, अपने दोस्त की chat निकाली, उसको export करा, an entire chat was given to an AI. And then I asked an AI to clone his entire talking style. And as you can see right here, in the second screenshot, it says he frequently uses the words hai, raha, main, and kar. You see the level of analyzing AI? And the AI also analyzed that what are the most frequent emojis that Sayam uses, right? Do this entire chat, and this is entirely done by an AI, right? So, अब ठीक है, ये सब पारस ठीक है, you must be thinking कि ठीक है पारस, अच्छा लगा सुन के, but so what? पारस ठीक है, अब बताओ आगे क्या? अच्छा आपने क्लोन कर लिया, this very good, it's very good. This means I can clone anyone by just talking to you for 5 minutes. I can be you, or maybe I can be you. I can talk to your girlfriend, or maybe your past grandfather. I can be anyone in this world. You understand the power? That's what I mean here, right? I can just talk to you for 5 minutes and I can entirely copy you. That's what I mean. This also means that I can have 1,000 different phases and I can be still one person. One person and 1,000 different styles to talk and one person still. You see the power? So the concept takeaway of this entire part of presentation is you as a person are not unique anymore. I can be anyone in this world just by talking to you for 5 minutes, maybe your voice. So this is a key concept takeaway that you should take away home. That if you feel you're unique, you're not, right? Before I dive in further into my talk, I want to give you a brief introduction of how my journey has been so that someone in the audience might be motivated by it and see कि ये लड़का कैसे इतनी दूर तक आ गया एक engineering college से. Yes, I have did my engineering. As you might have guessed, I am an engineering grad. I did it from Thapar University itself. So yes, I'm an engineering grad. So my journey started in 2019 when I started participating in hackathons. My first hackathon was in Chitkara here only, right? So my professor sent me with a third year guy. He's in US now. So I sent, this was my first experience with him. So it started off with that in my second year of college. And then I realized that I can do much bigger than that. I'll be honest with you. My honest reason for starting a startup was to be famous and earn money. I wanted to be cool among my colleagues in my college and my peer mates in my college. So yes, this was my initial motivation. That's where I started an AI company back in 2020. It was called Analyticware. And I'll tell you why it was cool. So ChatGPT recently came. Abhi popular hua hai. But I built an AI company back in 2020 when it was not cool, right? So what we did was हम इंडिया की 22 रीजनल भाषाओं में चैटबॉट बनाते थे उस समय 2020 में। अब प्रोडक्ट तो बना लिया था, बट पता नहीं था कि किसको बेचना है, बट प्रोडक्ट तो बना लिया। एंड दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी हाउ आई मेट माय टीममेट्स। अब यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कॉलेज के बच्चे हैं, दे फील आई डोंट हैव इनफ रिसोर्सेज टू maybe hire people or somewhat anything like that. I'll tell you how I met my teammates. I circulated a Google form. I didn't have money to pay anyone. No. The only quote that I say is, I like that's quote a lot. मैं सपने बेचता था उस समय. And this is very cringy, I know, but this is real. I didn't have money to pay people, so I circulated a Google form with some Steve Jobs quotes or something like that, that I want to build this company. Can you please join me? And 2 people joined. So that's how my first product was built. It was called Analyticware. And 56 साल के अपने कॉलेज के इतिहास के थापर यूनिवर्सिटी में हमने अपना चैटबॉट पिच करा थापर यूनिवर्सिटी को। 2020 का सारा प्लेसमेंट सेशन की सारी क्वेरीज हमने हैंडल करी थी 3 बच्चों ने, और 3 बच्चों को मौका दिया गया। किसी ने आज तक पूरे कॉलेज के इतिहास, माय कॉलेज वाज स्टार्टेड इन 1956, वी वर द फर्स्ट वन टू गिव इन दिस चांस, राइट? सो दिस इज वेयर आई बिल्ट एनालिटिकवेयर, एंड लकीली समथिंग हैपेंड। उस समय इंडियन गवर्नमेंट along with PGI Chandigarh wanted to start a new project called Arogya Prahari, similar to Arogya Setu, right? अब आरोग्य प्रहरी हेपेटाइटिस बी के लोगों के लिए था, जिस सिमिलर टू कोविड। एंड किसी ने, गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय ने हमारा चैटबॉट थापर की वेबसाइट पर देख लिया था, राइट? एंड दैट्स हाउ वी आल्सो गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बिल्ड चैटबॉट फॉर इंडियन गवर्नमेंट एज वेल। एवरीथिंग वाज फाइन, सक्सेस पहली बार टेस्ट करी थी, इट वाज फीलिंग वेरी वेरी गुड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट our placement session came and the 2 teammates left, right? So this is a glimpse. I want to show you a glimpse of how the chatbot looked like. So on the left, you are seeing this is a chatbot. Like this is created with love by Analyticware, and we were recognized by Harper's Magazine as well, right? Coming back, but I had this startup ka chul, so I wanted to do another thing. It was called Crux. I built another product called Crux, and I pivoted it 5 times before I actually got to a product market fit, as we call it. And this, it was a content recommendation system. And मुझे realize हुआ कि I was messaging these 100K creators at that time in 2021 with 100K following, and they were not replying me. So I thought I have to be one of them to get the replies. I have to be in their circle. Back then, I posted my first video on my birthday on 21st September. 2021. If you go to my profile and you scroll down, the first video is on 21st September 2021. Interesting story behind. 3 महीने वीडियो बना ली थी, पोस्ट नहीं कर रहा था क्योंकि I felt what would my friends think. I posted, I had the courage, posted on my birthday. So that's where I built this Crux. And then this was the origin of my Instagram channel as well. And now I have just redefined my metrics of success. Maybe later about this. So this is the redefined metrics of success. Now I just want you to see that these are all the stories that I've told you. Now I want you to see a video.
Yes, and that's what separates sometimes the people who do things from the people that just dream about. You got to act, and you've got to be willing to fail. You've got to be willing to crash and burn. You know, with people on the phone, with starting a company, whatever. If you're afraid of failing, then you won't get very far.
I follow Steve Jobs a lot. His ideology, his way of hiring people, a lot, right? This video is very good, and I just watch it whenever I feel like less motivated or something like that. Did you feel that way? Is it good? The video feels good? If you felt good, I wanted you to feel that way. It was intentional. I wanted you to feel that way. I didn't. Why would I show a video of Steve Jobs in the middle of my talk? Because I wanted you to feel that way. And this is what Reels do to you. This is what Instagram does to you. Make you feel sad, happy, emotional in just 20 seconds. And this is how they have been hacking your mind. Also, you're controlling your emotions as well. Your mind is, you can just fill in the blanks, right? And I am in the same boat. I'll just tell you a little bit about how brain works. Our brain just a little bit about it so that you don't get bored as well. Our brain is meant to be slow and intentional. And while we are scrolling reels, we are just doing the opposite. We are just stimulating ourselves, poking ourselves with our emotions. That's what not our mind is meant to be, right? So our brain is meant to be slow and intentional, learn, unlearn, and relearn. And I'll give you the math as well. And average reel duration is 5 seconds, right? 5 seconds में हम scroll कर देते हैं. This is the average reel duration. We all agree to it. And in a minute, this means we can watch 12 reels. Think about it. 5 seconds आप sad हो, 5 seconds खुश हो, 5 seconds motivated, 5 seconds ये, and you have been doing this 12 times in a minute. Think about it, right? And I'm a similar boat as well, no? I did an experiment on myself. This graph shows you how many times in past 10 days I have used Instagram in a particular day. Along with the date, as you mentioned, I started the experiment on 19th of February, and till 27th of February, I did the experiment. I installed an app which tells me that how many times I've opened Instagram in a day. What I realized was I didn't want to open Instagram. Whenever I was free, my hand automatically goes there. I don't want to watch it, but I still goes it. I feel there's some update, there's something else, but nothing was there. It was just a habit that I realized. So this was an experiment that I did with myself. पारस ठीक है, बता दिया, अच्छा लगा सुन के, हाँ हमारा भी ऐसा होता है. अब solution बताओ. Very good. Solution is you have to be smart. If these big giants are playing on you, you have to play on them, right? You have to be smart. So this is a key concept takeaway. So now every time I open my Instagram, I am forced to take a deep breath. Then I am shown this screen right here, right now, with the options. Do I want to open my Instagram? Yes, or do I don't want to open my Instagram? So I am more intentional with my scrolling habit. I am just forcing myself to be intentional with my actions. That's how I have controlled my habit. This is one way. Now, the second key concept takeaway is I want you to create more and consume less. I have stopped consuming reels. Only I make it. I just make drugs. I don't consume it. It's a famous quote, right? So basically, when you're removing that habit of consuming, you have to fill that void. If you just take away something, it leaves a void. Now you have to fill that void of consuming with something. As a beginner, I want you to start with blogging or maybe diary, or maybe if you want to convey your thoughts, start with LinkedIn. Just don't start using these apps that I told you and just not do anything. Your hand will automatically go to Instagram and just start using it again. So you have to fill that void. The second key concept takeaway is you have to create more than you consume, right? Now, I can really understand when you watch reels of Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs and everyone like that, these motivational reels, it can really feel that you are doing something productive. मेरे को भी लगता है यार कि क्या अच्छी बात बोल दी भाई इसने, क्या I can just save it. I've saved thousands of reels. I never watched it. पता नहीं क्यों. So this is what I have done too, right? And this can feel very productive, though it's not. You don't use it. And this is just the starting. We're in 2024 and this is just the starting. I am telling you this. I stand at the forefront of this AI revolution and I'm telling you this. Now, I want you to watch this video. Again, I want to introduce you to a new concept.
Let me tell you what I mean by this. Basically, AI agents जो कि एक नया concept है can play a lot of different roles. For example, इस केस में दिस एजेंट हैज वन टेक लीड, वन डेवलपर, वन यूआई यूएक्स डिजाइनर एंड आप टीम में अपनी जो भी ऐड करना चाहते हो। अब आप जब भी इसको एक प्रॉम्प्ट दोगे जैसे बिल्ड मी अ प्रोडक्ट फॉर डेवलपर्स, तो ये सब एजेंट्स अपने अपने रोल्स के हिसाब से एक प्रोडक्ट को कंप्लीट तैयार करेंगे। हाउ कूल। सिमिलर टू दिस देयर इज अ वेबसाइट कॉल्ड staff.ai जहां पर आप ऐसे 100+ एआई एजेंट्स को जाकर एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो। इसका लिंक फर्स्ट कमेंट में है, तो वहां जाकर आप देख सकते हैं।
Don't worry if you don't understand it. It's really, really okay. I didn't wanted you to understand it. That's really okay. What you just saw was not me. Yes, it was not me. I have digitally cloned myself, including my voice, my face, my background, everything. And if you feel that you're alone, no, you are not. The video I just showed you is posted on my Instagram. Just go and see it. 15,000+ people along with you didn't believe that it was an AI generated video. These are the real stats. So you are not alone. And no one in the comment section recognized that it's an AI generated video. Today I am here, but I am posting a video. But it's not me. I can be present at multiple places. I can be consistent with my content creation. That's what it means. Now, what is a key concept takeaway? Don't believe everything you see on internet. Your favorite influencer that you feel happy to watch too, maybe not real. Maybe they have digitally cloned themselves. So don't believe everything you watch on internet. And you need to have your own set of rules. For every motivational reel that you watch on Instagram, there's a contradictory reel opposing that. And I will give you an example to prove that. See these two quotes. The places is same, Mount Everest. First quote is motivating me to climb Mount Everest, maybe. And the second is calming me down, saying that I need to calm down because every dead body on Mount Everest was once a motivated soul. Right? So basically, what I intend to say you is you cannot be motivated through reels on Instagram. You have to have your own set of rules. Yes, you cannot be motivated by this short form content. And when we sit together, when we as a group of engineers sit together, Gmail was designed till 3 years. And honestly, mind psychologists along with data scientists and along with developers sat together to design your Gmail. Yes, we also, when we create products, we also see that आपकी जो hand का thumb है वो कहाँ तक पहुँचता है. Because we want you to engage. We just hack your minds continuously. You need to have your own set of rules and things that motivates you, that moves you forward. You cannot rely on these motivational quotes from Instagram and maybe all these things, right? And a lot of us, including me, sometimes go to this digital world of Instagram and believe that this is my reality. Maybe someone is having a Thar or maybe XYZ number of cars or maybe XYZ number of things, right? And your parents believe, yaar, isliye tha. What I live by is I am a hero daily. I am not a hero maybe 10 years later when I achieve something. मैं हर दिन हीरो हूँ, मेरा हर दिन प्रभाव में बीतेगा, चाहे अच्छा हो या बुरा, हर दिन मेरे लिए सेम है, मैं हर दिन हीरो हूँ, right? That's what I believe in. You have to value your true reality. जो भी है आज है, इस present moment में है. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing fancy. Maybe I'll go on Instagram maybe later. But today what I'm experiencing is now. This moment is real. That's what I want you to take away home. Right? And don't let these algorithms control you. When I sit together to build products, I sit with these engineers and we decide that how can we use your mind. Right? How can we use the habits of your mind? That's what we have been doing. That's what I have been doing over the years. Right? I've built multiple products and I've indulged this methodology in my products as well. Right? So that's what this was about. At last, I want to say you that you have to be mindful. You have to be slow. And slow is not like really, really slow. Slow is fast. You have to be slow with your thoughts. Right? So that's what you have to be. You have to be strong. You have to be emotionally strong. And you have to be slow and intentional. So thank you. This was all about today. Hope you have learned a lot. Thank you.